This is a tense showdown between two legendary saw machines, Steel MS661 and Steel MS462CM. Both are considered monsters in the professional woodcutting world. MS661 carries a powerful engine and stable cutting force. Meanwhile, MS462CM has a lightweight body, quick acceleration capability, and easy control. This showdown will help you understand the limits and advantages of each machine. Transporting logs through tight curves is a situation that gives many drivers a headache. But with steady nerves, this driver shows no panic, no hesitation. Every turn of the wheel and brake point is calculated with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just any driver. It's someone who's lived with the truck through hundreds of forest roads. In the middle of the wood yard, the PTH 1300/1500 is like a beast continuously grinding wood. With a Caterpillar engine boasting 1150 horsepower, it's ready to munch through the biggest logs. Plus, the remote control system lets the operator oversee the entire process quickly without needing to move from their spot. From power to flexibility, this machine really meets the demands of large-scale operations. Now, the Bell 8000 has made the laborious task of wood processing faster than ever. With an electric power of up to 125 horsepower, the machine cuts through thick logs into sections in no time. The coordinated cutting-splitting system works smoothly, producing uniform wooden pieces after just a few operations. Efficient, powerful, and fully automated, this machine is the ideal solution for large-scale firewood production projects. With the ability to saw and split at the same time, this machine truly shows what it means to be a smart device in the forestry industry. This is a tense showdown between two legendary saw machines, Steel MS661 and Steel MS462CM. Both are considered monsters in the professional woodcutting world. MS661 carries a powerful engine and stable cutting force. Meanwhile, MS462CM has a lightweight body, quick acceleration capability, and easy control. This showdown will help you understand the limits and advantages of each machine. The Cambio 800D has transformed manual bark removal into a fully automated process. Equipped with continuous rotary drums, it quickly strips away the outer bark without damaging the wood core. No longer the scene of having to turn over each piece of wood as before, this machine makes bark removal faster than ever. There's hardly a more dangerous situation than cutting down an already leaning tree. Just one small mistake can turn a moment of work into a disaster. But this worker remained calm, chose the right cutting point, and skillfully navigated the tree's fall to safety. Every move reflects solid skills and the impressive experience of a seasoned professional. The CAT 345BL Series 2 demonstrates superior power in every movement. With a 345 horsepower engine and a strong hydraulic system, it uproots trees quickly, even those that have been rooted for years. Its sturdy grapple arms allow the CAT 345BL to move and gather logs with ease without the need for additional equipment. This machine is well suited for forestry projects that demand speed, strength, and high efficiency. This is the first time I've seen such an innovative homemade chainsaw machine. With skilled hands and a few simple accessories, the craftsman has created a device that helps saw wood into flat sheets. With just a guide rail and a fixed frame, sawing wood has become easier than ever. Simple yet effective, it's the true essence of a craftsman's creativity. The steep terrain makes tree cutting exponentially more dangerous, but this worker shows no hesitation. He stays fully in control of the situation. Each cut and wedge is executed with precision, leaving no room for error. This is a skill honed only through years of hands-on experience deep in the forest. In the dense forest, the Ponzi scorpion is like a steel-armored beast. Each tree trunk was quickly brought down by its powerful cutting blade. Moreover, its intelligent design allows the machine to maneuver flexibly in tight spaces within the forest while maintaining high speed. Every throttle push and steering adjustment must be calculated carefully to avoid losing control. This operator demonstrates practical experience by keeping the machine stable even with the front wheels off the ground. Skills like this don't come from books. They're forged through years behind the wheel in the field. Logging is a process that requires perfect coordination between humans and machines. With solid experience, the worker operates the saw with skill. Each cut echoes through the forest like a countdown waiting for the moment the tree trunk falls. As soon as the tree touches the ground, the heavy work is handed over to machinery. The transportation officially begins. Each step is coordinated smoothly, showcasing maximum efficiency when humans and technology master the deep forest together. Moving hundreds of large logs across a river is no simple task. It always requires well-coordinated use of various equipment. The overhead fixed crane operates continuously, helping to shorten loading and unloading time. Meanwhile, beneath the water, guiding boats keep the stream of logs from drifting out of reach. Every part must work in sync to ensure safety and maximize efficiency. This is how the logging industry operates on a large scale while still maintaining high precision. Using a pickup truck to pull a tree stump is not simply about pressing the gas, but also requires some calculations. This smart driver used a little trick by tying the rope high up on the stump to create a greater leverage effect. This simple handling method turned out to be the key to easily lifting the stump. When the worker operates alongside the automatic wood splitter, productivity increases significantly. Every sawing and splitting operation is performed quickly and accurately, saving a considerable amount of time. Gone are the days of laboriously chopping each log. Now the worker only needs to perform a few simple controls. With consistent performance and streamlined operation, this is a machine worth investing in for small to medium-scale wood processing projects. The Hi-Pro 300 operates like a tireless tree trimming beast. With a powerful hydraulic system, it easily handles tree trunks with a diameter of up to 30 centimeters. Compared to new equipment, this machine may not stand out in appearance, but the performance and stability of the machine are still not to be underestimated. The Vermeer BC 2000 operates like a true tree-eating beast. With impressive processing speed, it turns entire tree trunks into mulch in the blink of an eye, significantly reducing. This machine is especially well suited for large-scale tree removal operations. The Woody WH60-1 seems like a machine born to optimize logging speed. Every action, gripping, trimming, and cutting is completed in just seconds without the need for additional tools. This device helps operators save effort and doubles processing speed even in harsh weather conditions. The Savannah model 1720 is truly a beast of a machine when it comes to stump removal. Equipped with the Savannah rotary rake, it can uproot stumps up to 58 centimeters in diameter in a short amount of time. Clearing 20 to 40 acres is just a simple task for this machine. This isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a leap forward for the entire land clearing industry. This will be a lifelong lesson for the worker on the importance of tree felling direction. The narrow forest road, the long log, and the sharp turns make transportation seem nearly impossible for the driver. But the driver does not hesitate. Each steering maneuver is executed with confidence and precision. If transporting wood is an art, then this is a performance showcasing the skill of the driver. The Carlton 7015 TRX is just like a machine beast eating stumps in the garden. Thanks to its sturdy track system and powerful engine, it crushes even large stumps right on the spot. No digging, no pulling. In just a few minutes, the stump seems to disappear completely. It's hard to revert to old methods after seeing this machine in operation. Using horses to assist in pulling vehicles is no longer something unfamiliar. But pulling an entire truck? That's truly beyond imagination. Like you, I thought this was completely impossible. But the moment the truck started to move, I completely changed my mind about the strength of these horses. This isn't just a woodcutting competition, it's the arena of chainsaw masters, where skilled workers must create the thinnest, flattest wooden slices possible. It may sound simple, but achieving that level of precision requires exceptional skill with a saw. Here, there are no alignment machines, only the worker's hands and determination decide the outcome. Just by looking at the current travel conditions, it's easy to understand why professional logging crews always choose winter to operate. Felling a large tree requires not only the power of machinery, but also a harmonious coordination among the workers. Both of them operate the excavator synchronously as if they are controlling a single machine. Every scoop, every swing moves in perfect sync, without a hint of hesitation. No words are needed. Every action reflects an unspoken understanding forged over time. Just 1 second of carelessness, and that stump showed the worker who's really heavier. This car seems to be carrying the whole forest on its shoulders, but if it deviates from its course for just a moment, the whole forest can collapse at any moment. This excavator looks no different from a steel claw hunting prey beneath the ground. With razor-sharp, serrated edges, it effortlessly rips through roots and surrounding soil like a knife through butter. In just a few hooks and lifts, the stubborn tree stump gets uprooted with barely any resistance. Fast, clean, and decisive, this machine was made for land clearing. Savannah 1200 isn't just a rotary rake, it's a powerful tool for land clearing. Each rotation sweeps away the most stubborn obstacles from the ground. Instead of needing dozens of machines, this one unit handles the entire plot of land in a short amount of time. High efficiency and time savings are what make it the choice for projects both large and small. Live.